I got it. Oh my God.
All right, today we're gonna bring a pooper picker. Now this is great if you don't want to touch anything or get near the actual poop that your dog does. This is a great option, so we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. They give you a couple bags, 2 different colors, and then the actual system that hangs the bags and a stretcher. So we're gonna stretch it out and set it up. So let's go ahead and put it together. To remove the actual bags, if you guys can see, there's a clip here. All right, that's one to remove it, and the clips all around. All right, very simple to remove the bags and add the secondary one. All right, so one of the best things about it, you don't get to touch the stuff. You just grab the bag, clip it on. I like this. It's flexible. This part's flexible, and of course retractable. Simple. All right, so the way it works, you just get behind your dog here, and that's pretty much all you do. You capture it on your dog when he drops it, and without touching it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.